Football's world governing body has cleared midfielder Havana Solaun to join the 23-player squad heading to the World Cup in France. The Jamaica Football Federation announced today that they had received the clearance for Solaun, who plays with Klepp in the Norwegian top flight, to represent Jamaica at the senior international level. Solaun had previously played for the United States at the under-17 and under-23 levels and needed clearance before being able to join the Reggae Girls in a FIFA event. The 26-year-old Solaun, who made her debut against Chile in March, will be the 23rd and final member of Jamaica's squad heading to France. The full squad reads Sydney Schneider, Nicole McClure, Yasmin Jemison, Lauren Silva, Dominique Bonflaza, Konya Plummer, the captain, Denisha Blackwood, Toriana Patterson, Alison Swaby, Chanel Hudson-Marks, Shinyelu Asher, Marla Sweatman, Sashana Campbell, Chantel Swaby, Ashley Shim, Khadijah Bunny Shaw, Trudy Carter, Jody Brown, Sade Adamal-Malcon, Tiffany Cameron, Shayna Matthews, Kayla McCoy, and Havana Solaun, of course. The last warm-up game for the team prior to the World Cup will be against Scotland on May 28 at Hampden Park.